Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August was Becky, and this is the mood inspiration board that she provided us, which is also over at our Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below. Now off to my layout. Here is a photograph of myself and my granddaughter and my little guy. And I will go back to the story on that photograph in a minute. I am showing you my three 12 by 12 papers that I am using. My foundation layer will be the Pink Fresh Studio Out and About. The next step, I use the star paper and I cut 3.5 by 4-inch squares. And then I back each one of those squares, and I thought I would use this paper from Fancy Pants, but I changed my mind right at the moment, and I decided to use the wood grain gray tone on gray tone pattern paper from Doodlebug. I cut it 1/4 inch wider, and that leaves about 1/8 of an inch all around the star square paper, so it's just peeking out a little bit. Off camera, I inked each of those blocks using Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Black Soot. I matted my photograph using that wood grain tone on tone gray paper, and I also used the Fancy Pants paper. I decided I did not want my squares to be vertically straight up and down. I decided to layer them and angle them, and then I will bring the photograph back into the picture. Next, I will get out all my embellishments that I included in this kit. All right, and then I'm looking at my layout, and I think that I need something over there on the right side of the photograph. And I thought, you know what would be perfect is a dolly. And I haven't used a dolly on a layout for a little bit, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to add some more visual interest and a different texture to this layout. Next, I secure those 3 squares on the back of that Pink Fresh Studio paper, which is from the Out and About collection. I know I said that once before, but just in case you forgot, I'm just reminding you. So, and I use my ATG gun to secure down those paper layers and the dolly. Next, I will use the crepe paper chipboard pieces to create a banner above the photograph at the top edge of that 12 by 12 foundation paper. Voila, it's done. Next, I move over to the left side of the photograph to create an embellishment cluster over there, and this will go really quick. And again, I am using Out and About stickers, die cuts, puffy stickers from the Out and About collection. Now this orange puffy sticker that you see, it moves around this photograph. Just wait till you see where it ends up finding its home. So that round puffy sticker that is an aqua color says Ready, Set, Go, Explore. Then I am going to bring in a die cut piece that says Drive. I will bring in a yellow tag that tucks under the word drive, but you see day trip, weekend, annual. Then I will bring in a fishtail die cut piece right there that says vacation. Next, I add a triangle puffy sticker that says let's go. Then I will move down to make a cluster in the lower right hand corner using 5 stickers that I just layer on top of each other. And 2 of them have phrases. So you'll see a navy blue with a car on it says on the road, and then this yellow ticket that says travel stories. That's right there. You can see that happening right there. While I'm just a little bit ahead of myself, let me remind you that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below so that you can go check out what they've created. My video is going up late, but it is going up on a Monday. After I complete this cluster, I move on to my title, which will say Family K1 Speed Day, and you will see the different alphas that I used. And then off camera, I do finish the cluster over to the left-hand side of the photograph, add about 2 more puffy sticker elements, and then here in a bit, you will see that I used Nuva drop in black, and I did like a scallop border all the way around that 12 by 12 piece of paper, which I call my foundation layer. You see it right there? Isn't that cool? I just thought it added a nice visual interest and again another texture to this layout. So I have chipboard, I have die cut pieces, I have these Nuvo like enamel drops that have a roughness. Then I have that dolly. So I just have all kinds of textures on this layout and I love it. And then of course my final touch was adding some splatters using Dilution Shimmer Spray, and it is Polished Jade. Here are the close-ups. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give us a thumbs up and keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.